All right, it is Saturday. There's no karate tournaments this weekend, and it is yard sale time. I got a real good feeling we're going to knock some stuff off the scavenger hunt list. There's 2 different church sales. There's all kinds of yard sales, all kinds of block sales. So we are going to hit it, and we're going to hit it hard. Let's see if we can't knock some stuff off the yard sale scavenger hunt list and just find some epic yard sale finds. Here we go. All right, here we go. Look at over there. I see a bunch of cool stuff. I see dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Look at all the toys. There's 2 big dinosaurs. So many. Whoa. Holy moly. Look at them all. Jurassic Park everywhere. I like that one. That big one's a monster, eh? I think this guy eats the ones. Wow. There's a Godzilla. Godzilla. These are really cool. I'm gonna ask about some of this stuff. All right, so that was a good start to the day. That yard sale had so many dinosaurs and all kinds of Godzilla stuff. They'll obviously show more of them at the end of the video. But as I was leaving, I caught a copy of Jurassic Park Monopoly with all the pieces never played for $4. So not on the scavenger hunt list, but this is a good start to the day. Hercules. Have a good one. What's going on? Yeah, what's up, man? All right, so that last yard sale, I found 3 really good VHS tapes. So Black Diamond, Little Mermaid, which, I mean, it's not worth a ton, but I only paid $1 for it. Atlantis, The Lost Empire, another great Disney movie, and the Jetsons movie. But now we're going to this church. It's going to be insane because last time we were here, I found so much stuff and the prices were pretty affordable. So let's go. All right, here we go. Last time we were here, they had so many good stuff. Looks like they got a barbecue set up and all the good stuff. Hot dogs and hamburgers and all the fun. Morning. Oh, it's okay. We just had breakfast, but got any donuts? There we go. Downstairs. Look, they even have an old school Little Tykes chalkboard.
Some girls want to see her, right? Not very many.
Okay, great.
1, 2, 3, 9, 10,
Books. Let's go to the books.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning, morning.
Holy moly, look at all
These
of them.
books are for sale, and the kids' books are
Over there?
over there, and there's all of them.
Awesome.
Okay?
Yep.
So this is really for the books. This is sit down and go through it whenever you want, okay? And I'll say support on the
Any good stuff here?
Okay.
What did you get? What did you see? Those are pretty cool. 5-minute story.
I remember this book. We still have it,
Yep.
but I think
This is the room where there's usually all kinds of stuff.
I got a good handle on it.
Our bags are right here. Don't you have any more
That's
cash?
cool.
But you only do cash.
We're gonna go all, see all the stuff in there? Look. So much stuff. Ready? Watch your head. There we go. Boom. Look, Evie. God, I love yard sale day. Do you know who this is? Molly. All right, you guys ready to make a pile? See anything you like? You know where this guy's from? Eureka's Castle.
look at this. I'm gonna get one.
Oh, that's a Polly Pocket.
I'm gonna get one.
What? Let me see
I
that.
wanna get it.
That's the Cinderella coach. Open it up. Is there pieces in it?
don't know. I can't really get the rest open.
Oh my God, there's so many goodies here. What do you see, Ev?
Dad, listen.
What are you gonna get, Ev? I'm gonna get these guys. Wow, there's some good stuff here. What is that? Oh, Peyton, look. Oh, if that was like working, it would show Scooby. Careful. Wow. Some good stuff. There's literally so many goodies here. Okay, you want to go put a pile together? Got that? What do you got, Dev? Grace's room? Are you Grace? No, don't scratch it. That noise is like nails on a chalkboard. Tin can robot.
It's just like the LOL TV.
Apples to apples, yeah.
That's what I want.
You want a fish?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah. This is like... You see anything else you want to get? Oh my goodness, look at the bunny. Well, you can get something else. There's other stuff here. You can get these too if you want. Remember those? Oh, you wouldn't remember those games, but... Yeah. They're 50 cents for all these. Go get it. Grab those Playmobil, guys. These are awesome.
Wait,
Grab them.
I want to find some summer stuff because it's fun on a Sunday.
Yep. What else is here? Wow, that was a good toy table, eh? What are these? Magnetic fruit napkin holders. Oh my God. I'm gonna get those this time. Did you guys see over here? There's craft stuff. Wayne Gretzky water bottle. Lots of goodies here today. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really cool. It's a popcorn machine. I'm gonna have to get that. That's like the ultimate football toy. Can you hold it? Can you grab it? Only $4. Steal of a deal. All right. Anything else? Okay.
Yeah, that's definitely. I'm getting.
You guys want to get it?
Yeah. For both of us.
All right.
That's for like dream share.
Check what's over here. See if I miss anything. Nope. That's good. All right. Is that all of it? Well, that was a good... Those are like the wings that your friend has. So much stuff. We got a chair, popcorn machine. What'd you get, Ev?
They're right here. Are you ready?
So that church did not disappoint. I can't believe we found a Molly doll from Big Comfy Couch after I just shot that video at the Value Village where I didn't buy them. Found an even better condition Molly for 75 cents. Also, there was a Eureka the Dragon from the Pizza Hut and a popcorn, Coors Light popcorn popper, and just some other really, really cool stuff that I'll go through at the end of the video. But it was only $10 for everything. Like, unfortunately, didn't get anything off the yard sale scavenger hunt list, but I think that Molly doll more than makes up for it. So let's keep going. There's all kinds of cool stuff out today. More fun.
Anything you can get, right?
What's over here? Forever green. I see a critter. Oh, I thought that was a critter. There's all kinds of crafts. A little wiggly worm. Reminds me of that guy from Mario. Yeah, there you go. Maybe get a book. Those are good reader books. Aliens and UFOs. Ooh. That's kind of neat.
Those are ice cube trays. We don't need that.
Summer vacation book. Grade 3 though. Need a grade 5 one, huh? Reasons to drink, 25 cents. I'll grab that one. That's funny.
This is actually my father-in-law, John. This is John.
Look at those erasers. You want to get those? I knew you'd want to get those. Find anything cool today or what?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Looking. You never know.
We just found a big comfy couch Molly doll at the church sale.
brilliant.
75 cents. Brand new. Oh my goodness, Care Bears. Look at these things.
Those are original
Yeah.
in the box.
Wow.
I know, right? And they work too, because obviously they've been used.
Yeah, why didn't you use them?
Well, they were from another person, and she was moving, and she said, maybe you can sell them online.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, if I don't get at least what I'm asking, I'm going to sell them online, because I'm not getting $5.
Yeah. What do you want for them?
25 each.
25 each? Okay.
And they work, they interact with each other too.
Do they really? Oh, those are, yeah, those are super cool.
And I also have a Nintendo.
You have a Nintendo? I'll go take a look at that.
Yeah, with 5 games.
How much are you asking on
I'm
that?
asking 129. Yeah, 120 I think.
120? Okay.
And that too, I looked it up because,
Yep.
you know, I didn't want to cheat anybody, but I don't think it's on.
No, I get it. I definitely see one thing I'm going to get from you down here. I love these keepsake ornaments. I found a Simpsons one. My one daughter's like obsessed.
Yes.
Are these all in there, the stack cubs?
And with the rat.
Yeah, I'll take that for sure. We're big Halloween people.
Yeah, I did, but see, I have too much stuff now. And I've just moved, I moved to this house from an apartment. Oh, really?
Oh yeah, we went to the church one around the corner. They had a bunch of cool stuff. I'm looking for a portable barbecue. That's on my bucket list right now. That's okay.
Later.
Look there, girls.
Now, this is
Barbies.
it's $40. There's 50
Wow.
plus outfits in here,
Oh my goodness.
plus 11
Barbies.
Barbies,
And one can.
and all the
Oh, that's cool. You can go look at it. I'm gonna get that.
that is what I kept that in that plastic. My grandsons played with that. They're like 18 and 16.
Yeah, you can grab those Furbies.
And everything over here,
Yep.
free.
It's free.
Everything free. This side.
Oh
all.
my goodness.
These garden tools. You need a bucket with a lid for something. You need a hammer.
Yeah.
Those are just the yard.
Squirt gun for the pool. Want one?
They took this, so that's empty.
All right, you got the Furbies. Look at that. That's cool, they have.
So pick if you see anything you like.
Toy Story. So that was a pretty good yard sale. Ended up finding 2 Anastasia train sets from Burger King, and they got them for $5. Then the girls got some Furbies, and Effie got a chair. So that was a good stop. And those Barbies were a good deal. I just don't know if I need that many Barbies right now. See what they have.
$3.
We do 2?
That's fine.
Wow, look at all this stuff. Bins full of goodies, girls. explore. There's Christmas stuff over here. I see some board games. That looks cool over there. Look at that. Cool puzzle. Yeah, there's something over here I want to take a look at. Look at this Monopoly game. That's really cool. It's a wooden Monopoly game. What do you see there, bud? Wow, some jewels. Mm-hmm.
I haven't bought it yet.
Sewing items. Doggies. So far today, it hasn't disappointed. We have found so many good things, and it's going to continue because we're at another church. We've been to this one before. I found some good stuff last year. We came here later last year, and it was a little bit picked over. And it still had good stuff. And there was some stuff that I missed last year that when I rewatched the video, I wish I would have bought. Let's not make that mistake today. Here we go. He said there's lots of... Oh my God, I see something epic. Come on, Ev. Look at that pirate ship thing. Morning. Good morning. Here she comes.
Drinks, cookies and muffins.
Awesome.
Too. You need a snack.
Awesome. Look at Evie, you lucked out. They got Barbies.
Can I go on the other side?
Yep, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. It's $2 row. Perfect.
How do I get?
Walk around. Walk around. Look at this. Do you know what this is? This is Cabbage Patch doll clothing.
How?
Yeah, those are Cabbage Patch doll shoes. Let's grab that. Make a pile. These are all Cabbage Patch doll clothes. We're not getting any more Barbies? This is an Action Man.
You don't need to get that.
Isn't this guy from Disney?
I'm really seriously getting it.
It's okay, whatever. All right. Some balloons. There's cookies over there, I see. That's cool. Oh! Relax, Brenda. Ooh, let's go look at the books. What is that? You're gonna get that? Some R.L. Stein books here, Pete. Oh, more. Look. See if there's Goosebumps. There might be. It's the same author. It's over here. No.
Look at this.
Wow, that is cool.
Look at it. Is it cool? Look at the lid. It's cool.
That's for hanging jewelry off of.
The one with this.
Oh, yeah?
For Barbie dolls.
Oh, you see what's over here, Peyton?
Oh, this?
These are from last year, right?
You heard of the game Kerplunk, right?
You don't need some socks? You sure about that?
No. Yeah, I have to learn about socks. Yeah. There's no bumps in the...
Ornaments here? Wow.
This one won't break.
It goes on top of the tree, huh? The three wise men?
Maybe.
I see something over here I want. It's right here. Let's go, Lions! Can you hold that? It's super stuffy. Feel it.
I want those. It just feels like a squish.
Yeah, it's like a squishy lion swing.
Oh, yeah.
So that was pretty good. They didn't have too much stuff that we really wanted to grab. Got some McDonald's buckets, board game. It's like B version of Kerplunk, and just some other random knickknacks and figurines. Still good to go there. And that Lions pillow is just for me. It's not a collectible, but I am a Lions fan, and it's super soft. So let's keep going. Let's see what's here. Oh, side. Those are really neat.
Yeah, they're adult.
Yes. They have today. I think we're gonna find
Yeah.
any goodies.
All right, Laney, let's roll. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
Oh my god, that's cool. I want this. Puzzles. You see these? Knocked it over on accident. The old puzzles.
This is a starfish
$10
candle.
for 4 puzzles. It's a puzzle holder.
Maybe I want to get it for my mom.
Go look over here.
We're not booking it until August because nothing's happening.
Tell her that. She's got something.
Always book in August. Okay, so on the calendar, it's February.
What? You found a candle?
29th of January.
Amazing.
And then we'll be there for the
You find the coolest stuff. And more stuff back here. Keep walking, bub. What's in there? Some bunny stuff. Take a look through that. What's that? Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that, Ev. What? I don't know, check. Check and see if there's PlayFood in it. Open it up. Mm-hmm.
I found a lava lamp with flowers in it.
Did you? Oh, it's got PlayFood? That's cool. Any tapes that I might want?
Oh my God, the sales and everything. There's no sales tax on.
Look at that. That is very fancy. You got a turtle bag for $5. What'd you get?
A cupcake mixer and a high heel.
Wow, okay. Steak sale. What do I got here? I see some cool stuff. Look at these. Diet Coke. Oh! It's a transforming mobile phone.
Look at
Oh my god, you guys look in that box. There's toys in here.
Okay, we're gonna get that.
You know what this goes to?
Castle. Look at this guy.
Yeah. Put a pile together. Grab those. Yeah, grab those guys. Okay, that's good. Hold on to that. There's just some like random stuff in here. Hammer.
I have to put my food up.
Look at this
Can
thing.
you bring it down a little bit, Dad?
That's an oldie. Oh, there's not much left in there, bud.
I think it goes inside.
Yeah, let's go in the back. There's more stuff
Is it in the back or is it
in the house.
in the house? Okay, we're not allowed.
No? Okay. Okay, let's go in the house. Maybe they have cool stuff in there too.
Yes.
That,
Dinner bear box.
that is neat. This would be where we would find that barbecue that we're looking for. Something like this.
Look at it's sled.
Tupperware stuff. No cups though.
Hey, why is there a sled here?
I don't know.
It's so Christmas.
Just don't grab anything crazy, okay? Okay. Here we go.
We said we go in the front.
I guess we'll go through the back, eh? Let's go through the back. That's an official Frisbee. That's really cool. All right. I guess we go in through here. Estate sale, all the stuff. $1 each. Less marked. Okay, I don't see anything there that we want. Let's go this way. That's a good find. Scary? What do you mean scary? Is someone selling
We're
one?
going in the basement.
Yeah. Oh, he's cool. Look over here. Jackpot. Board games and toys. Did you see it?
What's this? This is.
No? Fortune. That looks cool.
I wish my mom would just such
Yeah.
her can go with us and look at the dresses. Well, no.
Tournament backgammon. Nice. Oh, here's the old version of that toy. Fisher Price.
That's cool.
Hold on, guys. Wait for Dad. There's like mini roulette from back in the day.
Nice.
There's all kinds of cool stuff here. Wow, this is... We don't want to miss anything. Those chairs are really nice.
They're for sale.
Gives us a show. That is really...
They're for sale. Even this way.
Man, there might be some good records. You never know. Peyton, can you take this thing I'm holding?
This.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it.
Oh, there actually might be some good records in here. We'll see. Doesn't look like it. I thought there might be. All right. I'm gonna go check out. Oh, wait a minute.
Dresses look cool.
Look at that.
These dresses look cool.
Yeah.
They look pretty for my mom.
Oh my goodness. Look at this little boy.
Look at this t-shirt.
Carefully. Oh my goodness. That is an old toy.
Look at these three marbles.
These are old Tupperware toys.
They look like them. Three marbles.
You would build them.
Look at this. Happy skeleton. Happy skeleton.
Wow, that's...
So like the outfit from there.
Yep.
Look at it racing.
All right, I think, unless there's stuff on the other side, this is pretty much it.
More this way. And I'm still looking over here.
All right. Yeah, when we get upstairs.
We need it for our candy, our tree.
All this old furniture.
Me, I can't eat it now.
All right. I think that's it.
Don't eat that.
All right, let's go upstairs and pay the
I
people.
know I
Wow.
can't eat that.
This was really cool. Look at all this. This is an old style basement. All right, here we go. Jump over here. This is right over here. Lots of stuff at this one. Holy moly. Think you'll find anything out? Oh, look. Christmas goodies. Santa Claus. Let's see. What else up? Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, a toy bin. Get in there. Classic. are you seeing here? Anything cool? Oh my god, make your own lava lamp? Oh my goodness. Alright, let's keep looking. More stuff around. Big lion there. Stickers and all kinds of stuff.
It's going to be...
Well, that was pretty good, but what do we get, Evie? What's the only thing we got? Just some stickers? All right. There's a whole bunch of yard sales in here, so we're gonna go check that out right now. Oh my goodness, there's so many cool things. Look at that dress, Peyton. Wow. Watch your step, man. It's a green screen, Peyton. You know what you use a green screen for? For shooting videos. Ooh, video games? Buttons? Look at those. They're $2 a piece.
The stick? Where? Here. I want to get those. Yeah, there's 2 sticks.
Oh my goodness. Look at all these ones. I want the Cheshire Cat and Alice. Which one do you want, Peyton?
No, I want Cheshire Cat and Alice. I want this one. I'm going with Alice, please.
I want that one.
I want these 3 because
Okay.
I'm getting Alice over here.
There's another Cheshire Cat on the side.
Okay,
And then over here, there's more. Okay, we'll pick them out.
there's someone.
There's more over here if you want to go look. What is that?
It's a color reveal doll. Yeah, there's Barbie color reveal dolls with the blind.
You guys want to get those? Okay, put a pile together.
Yeah.
You know the deals. What's B221 mean? Peyton, look. SpongeBob comics, 50 cents each. Think you might want to read those? You're gonna get, there's 2, honey.
I don't know. Oh, 50 cents.
Look at all the stuff. Let's see what else. Did you see there's some hats in here? Did you see all these big stuffed animals? It looks like there might be a Squishmallow in there. A Squishmallow raccoon.
We can got all of them, right? Why are you picking that up though?
There is a Squishmallow. It's the raccoon one. There's a lion. I think we have that one.
And then, are we getting that?
Waffle maker. Oh, there's VHS. I'll be right here. Any Gary ones? Oh, kids. That's a good one. Look, Pate. Oh my God, Spice Girls VHSs. Is what? Is there really? Oh my goodness, we got a bunch of stuff. Okay, is there anything else that we want to get in here? Oh, another one. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a good one. All right, I got all that too. Look at what you got. That is a lot of Disney pins. What'd you get? A Barbie color reveal? Are you kidding me?
Hayden got a Barbie color reveal. But your doll's in the package.
That's crazy. All right, so that was a crazy yard sale. We found all those Disney pins for $50, and then the girls found a couple Barbie color reveals and just some random other stuff. We spent $65 there. There's another yard sale up the street, so I'm gonna check that out. Still haven't found anything off of the yard sale scavenger hunt list. I figured it was gonna be a little bit hard to find some of the stuff, but I have seen a barbecue. It just wasn't the one we needed. Cool set. Do you? What, the Super Bowl XL one? Let's see. What do we got here? Shrek. Shitty. Most valuable primate too. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's for the trailer? Oh, okay.
Doing a yard sale scavenger hunt, and one of my items, I'm not even kidding you, is to find some old trucker hats. I wear trucker hats everywhere, and I've been skunked all year. This is amazing.
There's Ram.
Oh, I like these ones. These old
Yeah. Roofing and all that
Oh
stuff.
my God, you
Here's
got
a
some
one
good
for
ones
ya
in here.
Pardon me, but they're full of shit. You know,
Okay, how much are you asking on the hats now that I've completely oversold it?
50 cents a piece.
All right, perfect. I'm gonna buy a bunch. All right, I got 12. All right, I got 12. So that was awesome. Got something off the scavenger hunt list. I picked up 12 trucker hats for $5, and there's some really good ones. They're just all the ones I wear, including some like fancy ones, rainbow styled, and then a really, really old one, Sandwich Day Sharks corduroy hat. So we knocked one off the scavenger hunt. It took a long time, but I finally found some trucker hats. Starting to rain on us. Hello. Hi. Oh, puppy. This is one of those ones that walks, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I might have to get that. Save it from the rain.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
You can open it up.
I see something I want, right? All right, so I'm gonna try and hit one more yard sale because it's been super duper busy and we found a ton of stuff. Gonna have a big review at the end of the video, but we're gonna try one more, just one more, and then we're all done. Well, you have a couple good ones. Who was the big cartoon fan here?
Oh, yeah, that's my son.
Yeah, he must have been. He's got all the good ones. He's got G.I. Joe and Transformers. All right. That's good. So that was another really good week of yard selling. Actually, I'm super excited. Finally got the trucker hats off the scavenger hunt list. We didn't find anything else with regards to, you know, scavenger hunt stuff, but getting a bunch of trucker hats for $5 was awesome. Got some really good stuff to show everyone. Some of it I didn't even catch on the video, but there's some really, really cool stuff. The church sales didn't disappoint, and the first yard sale of the day with all the dinosaurs and Godzilla stuff, and just some like totally random yard sale stuff, you know, things that you could only find at yard sales. So let's take a look at all the good stuff here. So this is everything. Now, as you can see up here in the top left, I've got a whole bunch of Jurassic Park dinosaurs. I got the Mosasaurus, a Stegosaurus, an Ankylosaurus, and I forget what that one's called, but they're all the ones with the app. Then you've got a whole bunch of Godzilla stuff here. I think there's 4, yeah. And back there, Jurassic Park Monopoly, brand new. It's been open once but never played. This is obviously the find of the day, finding a Big Comfy Couch Molly doll. I checked on eBay. I paid 75 cents for this. It's selling for about $150 a doll right now, depending on condition. So that's $150, basically what I spent and more at yard sale day. This is not going to get sold. This is for me. It's a One Pride. It's like a stuffy, like fuzzy pillow. It's like really, really soft. The Scooby-Doo placemat. Peyton got some SpongeBob comics that she's excited about. There's the aforementioned trucker hats, which I'm super excited to find. That's one of those electronic dogs that talks, some Great Adventures cowboys, and that actually part back there, right there, the gray castle piece, goes to the Fisher-Price castle. That's the cannon, so that's a piece that's usually missing. So now I can buy one if it's missing that. There's a couple Playmobil figures, some napkin holders that are fruit-shaped. Right there is the Polly Pocket Cinderella carriage. It's missing the wheels, but it's got the inside part. Here are some Disney 101 Dalmatians and McDonald's toys. some miniature travel board games that were huge back in the day. I remember having those as a kid. Here is something pretty cool. It's a turtle like handbag. So even in the paws, or I guess legs, I don't think turtles have paws, you can put stuff in there and in the back. There's 1984 by George Orwell. That's a good copy of that one. We've got Transformers and G.I. Joe Season 1s, as well as The Abyss. Over here, got a couple different things. This is like Kerplunk, but it's with bees and honey. Then you've got a Eureka's Castle Eureka hand puppet. Or no, I don't know if that's Eureka. That might be, I think it is, but I don't know. Right there is the Nightmare Before Christmas mug set for $2. Here's some VHS tapes that I pick up. The Jetsons the movie, Atlantis, and The Little Mermaid Black Diamond. And then right here is just a little wizard guy. Thought he was pretty cool. And some Disney cake toppers. Got all 3 of the fairies from Sleeping Beauty in there. Right here. Got a couple McDonald's Furbies right there. This is the Anastasia train. It's actually 2 of the same set. So there might actually even be 3. So 1, 2. So there's 2. Plus all the tracks. So 2 sets of that. That sells for about $20 every time. Then right here I got a bunch of movies, mostly Spice Girls. As you can see there, those are pretty popular. Some McDonald's Halloween buckets from last year. And the last thing that I picked up was a Coors Light football popcorn maker. Perfect for football season coming up. So that is this weekend's yard sale haul. Obviously the best thing, the Molly there, the Godzilla stuff, the Jurassic Park. Monopoly's about a $70 game. But honestly, getting those trucker hats, so good. Anyway, next weekend will be another big yard sale week. Let me know if there's anything in the video that I missed that you would have picked up, and I'll do a better job next week looking for things.